Welcome back students to Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, and this is the 6th session. Children, in this session, we are having important derivations. The derivation is the formula to find the sum of all terms of AP. Alright children, the two formula are there. I have already written here, but let's see how we get them. Okay children? Now, children, a German mathematician and a physicist, all right, whose name was Johann Friedrich Gauss. Okay. Well, there was one incident when he was in school, in quite low class, I think standard 5 class, 5th standard. Okay, you know, you also have a school life, the experience of school life. Sometimes in regular period, your class teacher or maybe a subject teacher is busy with some important register work or any other such type of work. Alright? And yes, when the teacher is busy, to keep you engaged, he or she will give you some work. Say suppose if teacher needs 5 minutes to do her important work or his work, then she or he will give you 5 to 7 minutes of work to do, to read, to write or anything. Alright, so here also Gauss, when he was in class 5, alright, his teacher had some important work to do. So she gave him, the whole class in fact, one sum, and the sum was to find the total of numbers from 1 to 100. Children, 1 से 100 तक का टोटल करने को दिया उनको. Yes, it takes quite a good length of time, correct? So that means teacher had some important work and she was aware she needed extra time to do that work. So a huge work was given to the students of class 5. Alright. In a minute's time, Gauss completed his work and he raised his hand, called out to teacher and said, "Teacher, I have finished." Teacher was shocked. Teacher was completely shocked. How can he do such a big sum in just 1 minute or so? So she called him to show the work, and when she saw the work, she was surprised. Yes, the answer was correct and the method was very short. Now, you are also surprised, I believe. Let's see how he did the work. He had to add all these numbers, correct? 99 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. Children, what Gauss did, he wrote all these 100 numbers. There are totally 100 numbers starting from 1 to 100. So n is equal to 100 we have. Total number of numbers is 100. He wrote in the reverse order. 100 first he wrote. This is in ascending order. Then he wrote in descending order. So 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 96 plus ... ये आएगा 1, ये आएगा 2, ये आएगा 3. Correct children? Now look what he did. Yes. What is the total? 101. What is the total of 2 and 99? 101. What is the total of 3 and 98? 101. What is the total of 4 and 97? 101. What is the total of 5 and 96? 101. So this plus this plus this plus this ... What is the total of 98 and 3? 101. 99 plus 2? 101. Correct children? And 100 plus 1? 101. And you know, these are 100 times. So yes, this is repeated addition. 101 repeatedly added with itself 100 times. So that can be written as 100 times 101. So that is 101 and 00. This is the total. But children, teacher had asked the class to make total of only this number. ये तो double हो गया. So 2 times required sum. Teacher had asked to find the sum of only numbers from 1 to 100. But this is double. So 2 times the required sum is this. So he did required sum. जो sum हमें ढूंढना है is half. 2 इधर चला गया. Of 10100. 2 ones are 2 5s are 0s are 5s are and 0s are. So that is 5050. So this is how he did the work so quickly. All right, children. Okay. Say suppose you have to find from 1. Say suppose starting from 2, 4, 6, 8 up till 22. Okay. Then you can reverse the order. 22 plus 20 plus 18 plus 16 and this will be 2. Correct? Add this 24. Add this 24. Add this 24. Add this 24. Plus dot 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 and this is also 24. But here you don't know the number of terms. So I'll count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 terms. So this is 11 times 24 and that is 264. But that is double, 2 times sum required. So sum is half of 264 and that is 132. So sum of this number is 132. All right, children. Now, how did we get the formula? Please pay attention. Any AP, its first term A1, A2, A3, A4. Then you have AN. उसके आगे an minus 1. उसके आगे an minus 2. चलिए, the first term we know how we write A. Then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. And this is, you know how we write A plus n minus 1D. यहाँ n हो तो n minus 1. करेक्ट? यहाँ 4 हो तो 4 minus 1. यहाँ n minus 1 है, so n minus 1 minus 1. So this is A plus n minus 2D. This will be A plus n minus 3 times D. All right, children. ये सारा एडिशन करना है. डॉट डॉट डॉट. These are n terms. अब रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिख देंगे. तो यहाँ A plus n minus 1 into D. यहाँ नेक्स्ट टर्म यह आएगा A plus n minus 2 into D. यहाँ नेक्स्ट टर्म आएगा A plus n minus 3 into D. फिर A plus n minus 4 into D. यहाँ आएगा A, यहाँ आएगा A plus D और ये A plus 2D. अब आपको पता है कि ये सेम आने वाला है. This total is going to be the same and that will be n times the sum, है ना? क्योंकि यहां n टर्म्स है, सो टोटल n टाइम्स. और सिर्फ ये सम देख लो, a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चिल्ड्रन? इसका और इसका एडिशन, सो दैट गिव्स मी 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. सो n टाइम्स 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. 2a प्लस ब्रैकेट इंटू डी, 2a प्लस ब्रैकेट इंटू डी, और n से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सो आई यूज द लार्ज ब्रैकेट. बट दिस इज डबल, 2 टाइम्स रिक्वायर्ड सम. दिस इज 2 टाइम्स रिक्वायर्ड सम. सो रिक्वायर्ड सम इज इक्वल टू, ये 2 नीचे चला जाएगा, सो n बाई 2 इंटू 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. Here you are. Okay, and this required sum symbolically S for sum and n for number of terms. So sum of n terms of AP is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, children, did you understand? Sure. Yes. Now this one is very easy. Now you know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Children, see how I write. N by 2 into 2a can be split as a प्लस ए और आगे प्लस n माइनस वन इंटू डी. व्हाट इज a plus n minus 1 into d? A plus n minus 1 into d, that is an. So here that is n by 2 into a plus this is an. Yes, another symbol for an, last term is L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So when finite AP is given and if you know the last term, you may use this formula. But if it is infinite AP, you don't know the last term, then use the first formula. Just notice here, for first formula, you need the value of A, N and D. A, N और D की वैल्यू चाहिए. और यहाँ A, N and the last term. Common difference is not required there. Is that clear? Fine. Proceeding further, children. Yes, we are going to learn few concepts today. Okay? Knowing the formula for nth term of AP in terms of Sn. Children, nth term of AP. Term के लिए symbol है A. Sum के लिए symbol है S. Sn means sum of n terms. An means sum of n terms. Okay? Sorry. This is nth term. A symbol है उसके लिए. ठीक है. So an is nth term. ये फॉर्मूला हमें पता है. A plus n minus 1 into d. So this is nth term in terms of A, n and d. But nth term in terms of Sn वो है an is equal to Sn minus 1. हम देखते हैं children. Let's see. What is sum of 5 terms? First term is A1 plus second term is A2 plus third term is A3 plus fourth term is A4 plus fifth term is A5. This is the meaning of sum of first 5 terms. And what is sum of first 4 terms? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. The sum of first 4 terms. Now just check out sum of 5 terms minus sum of 4 terms. Sum of 5 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. And then minus ये पूरा ब्रैकेट, बट आई एम ओपनिंग द ब्रैकेट सेम टाइम, माइनस A1 माइनस A2 माइनस A3 माइनस A4. सो माइनस A4 प्लस A4 माइनस A3 प्लस A3 माइनस A2 प्लस A2 माइनस A1. सो दैट गिव्स मी A5. i.e. A5 is equal to sum of 5 terms minus sum of 4 terms. Observe and understand now. Observe and understand, children. So what will be sum of 10? Sorry, what will be? Now what is this, children? Fifth term is sum of 5 terms minus sum of 4 terms. So what will be 10th term? Sum of 10 terms minus sum of 10 minus 1, that is 9th term. What will be the sum of, not sum, 75th term? That will be sum of 75 terms minus sum of 74 terms. So what is nth term an? So sum of nth term minus sum of n के आगे वाली term n minus 1 term. Got it, children? Sure. I hope you understood. Yes. Next concept or knowing the formula for nth term of natural numbers. Children, the AP given to you here is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Okay? Here, nth term of even natural numbers. So AP given here is 2, 4, 6, 8, ... And in the third case, we have odd natural numbers. So AP is in the form of odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, ... All right, children, we know we call this as A1, A2, A3, A4. And suppose this is the last term and we call it N. Last term, finite AP समझो, the last term is AN, जिसको हम L भी बोलते हैं. यह last term is L, उसको AN बोलते हैं. यह last term है, finite AP है, and that is AN. Correct? Now children, you know AN जो हमें ढूंढना है ये term AN इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी. करेक्ट. अभी ये एपी में ए क्या है 1, डी क्या है 2 माइनस 1 दैट इज 1, 3 माइनस 2 दैट इज 1. सो ये डी की वैल्यू यहां रखेंगे 1 इंटू एन माइनस 1. सो 1 प्लस, या डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो, एन माइनस 1 प्लस 1 माइनस 1 कैंसल्स. करेक्ट. This is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So that is nth. So nth term is n. So natural numbers आप लोगे तो first number is 1, second number is 2, third number is 4. This is term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. Then term number n, the last term जिसको L भी कह सकते हैं, that is going to be n. Is that clear? अब यहां देखते हैं nth टर्म क्या होने वाली है. L लास्ट टर्म an, फॉर्मूला है a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. Yes, we are going to put the values of a, n and d. What is a? That is 2 plus d की value 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 4 2, it's 2 only 2. n we do not know, so that is 2 plus, distribute करो, 2n minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 is gone, so that is 2n. So nth term yahan 2n. So whenever you have even natural numbers as AP, then your first term A1, A2, A3, that is 2, 4, 6, आगे जाएंगे तो nth term आएगा, वो होगा 2n. So these are n even natural numbers. These are all natural numbers. n natural numbers. These are n even natural numbers. उसमें nth term 2n होगा. Let's see the next one. Yes, again we want to find out the last term, which is an. The formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this an, value of a is 1 plus d is 3 minus 1, that is 2 into n minus 1. So 1 plus 2n minus 2, that is 2n. Yes, plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. This is the nth term. So here it is 2n minus 1. Okay, children? So when you have odd natural numbers as AP, odd natural numbers, then your A1, A2, A3 and AN. A1 is of course 1, A2 is 3, A3 is 5, uske aage, and this will be 2n minus 1. Is that clear, children? I hope that is clear. So we were talking about nth term when all natural numbers is given in form of AP. We are talking about nth term of AP, which is in the form of even natural numbers. Here we are talking about nth term of AP, which is odd natural numbers. All right? Yeah. Now moving on to the next one, the last concept for today's session. Today's session only concept and understanding. Yes, we need to remember all these results, so learn them well. In tomorrow's session we'll be using all this formula in one way or the other. All right, now here, knowing the formula to find sum of n natural numbers. So AP is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All right, and this will be n. Correct? Yeah, here a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1. Correct? I am writing directly. वो स्टैंप लगा दिया. Now Sn is equal to, formula क्या है? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am going to put the value of a and d which are available. So n by 2 into 2 into 1, और इसकी value भी 1 ही है. So no need to write n minus 1. Open the bracket. n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So n by 2 into n plus 1. So that is sum of n natural numbers. उसकी reduced formula या deduced formula, reduced या deduced formula. A और D की value already it's there inside because AP is fixed, n natural numbers. Okay, so here is the formula. Sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में यूज करेंगे, कहीं पे ध्यान रखना. ऑलराइट, नाउ वी हैव इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो AP is 2, 4, 6, 8. you know the last term is going to be 2n, है ना, हमने देखा अभी. Yes, here a is 2 and d is also 2. Now Sn, sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values by a and d. Values of a and d. 2 into 2. Value of d यहाँ रखेंगे, which is plus 2 into n minus 1. Alright, that is. Yeah, children, 2 is common. If you want, you can take common. N by 2 into 2 is common. So 2 is left. And here, n minus 1 is left. This 2 cancels. So n into positive term n and 2 minus 1 is plus 1. There you are. The sum of n terms, if this n terms are even natural number, is n into n plus 1. Moving on to the next one, we have odd natural numbers. So AP is 1, 3, 5, 7, and you know the last term will be 2n minus 1 if it is odd natural number. Yes, here a is 1, first term, common difference d. 7 minus 5, that is 2. Yes, sum of n terms, the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of a and d. So n by 2 into 2 times a, that is 1. Value of d यहाँ रखेंगे, positive है. So plus 2 into n minus 1. So once again 2 is common. So n by 2 into 2, 2 is taken common. So 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. 2, 2 cancels. N into n, that is n square. The sum of n odd natural numbers, Sn, of course Sn is the symbol for sum of n numbers. Sum of n numbers, sum of n numbers. लेकिन यहाँ n नंबर्स सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स, यहाँ जो n नंबर्स है वो इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स है, और यहाँ जो n नंबर्स है वो ऑड नेचुरल नंबर्स है. सो सम ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स Sn is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of all even natural numbers Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. And sum of all odd natural numbers Sn is equal to n square. Children, ये तीनों deduced formula हो गई. They are shortcut formula. Alright. I hope you had a good session, children. That's all in this session. See you in the next session where we are going to use all this formula. Children, previously we finished in those previous 5 sessions term of AP, जिसको हम कहते हैं AN, और अब शुरू हुआ है sum of AP, sum of terms of AP, that is SN. Alright. AN की फॉर्मूला है a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी, और Sn की फॉर्मूला है n बाई 2, और लार्ज ब्रैकेट में यही सेम थिंग बट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. इसकी हमने आज एक और फॉर्मूला देखा, an इन टर्म्स ऑफ Sn माइनस Sn माइनस 1, और इसकी एक और फॉर्मूला देखा, Sn इज इक्वल टू n बाई 2, ये सेम, और दूसरा a प्लस l. ऑलराइट. सो whatever equation या formula is favorable to use in a particular situation, we shall be using it, and you need to experience that. Fine, children. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.